All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I bring you a couple of webcams from AnkerWork. This first one is the B600 video bar. Now this one is really cool because it has a 4 microphone array on here with voice radar, a specialized low distortion dual silk speaker setup, built-in 2K resolution camera, folks. We are getting there. We're getting up there. Then it has what's called Magic Sight, and that's described as being able to automatically adjust the brightness and color temperature for you. So I'm going to crack this open here. This is the box that it comes in. Nice packaging. You can tell a company has a nice camera setup when you have nice packaging like this. So let's go ahead and get this going. You got your instructions here to download the software there to get it going. All right, folks, now the next one I want to show you is the C200. This is the powerconf, basically C200 2K HD webcam. Now this one is really nice because it has 2K Ultra HD resolution, and it's a USB webcam, so you should get very clear and sharp videos and calls on your meetings and everything. With the larger aperture, it brings in more light, so that way if you're in low light settings, you'll still be able to look really good on your meetings if you're in a situation where you don't have a ring light. Now this does have stereo microphones, so it specializes with dual mics using AI to pick up your voice while simultaneously reducing the background noise so everybody will hear you nice and clear. Now there's a thing that you can adjust on here with the AnkerWorks software. It's called Versatile Field View. So basically you can adjust it to different angles. If you just want to show your face, you want to get it zoomed in more, you can adjust from 65 degrees to 78 degrees to 95 degrees, and that way you can pick up any angles of your video conference that you might want to show or not show. It does have a built-in privacy cover as well, so that way if you're not using it, you can shut it down. So let's crack open this box. All right, guys, so here we are with the C200 fired up. Wow, what do you think about this audio quality? This is incredible, man. I like that it has a privacy shade too, so we're going to talk a little bit more about that. But right now, you're looking at just a simple video feed that I'm putting into my laptop, and I like that it's just Type-C powered, very simple, plug and play. Even if you don't want to download the software, I recommend that you do, but you can simply plug this into any computer. For those people that are not tech savvy, you can plug it right in, select the camera when you do your live feed or your webcam through your conference, your job, whatever, or just chatting with friends and family, and it will automatically pick up the camera. That is on Mac and Windows, so take note of that. It's a nice plug and play camera. I think this is really nice, man. I really like the feed that it's giving, and I really enjoy these microphones. I've been testing this camera out before giving you this footage, and I gotta say, I'm extremely impressed. Great job, guys. All right, guys, so there they are, the B600 and the also really compact C200. So both of these cameras are going to offer you stellar quality, as you can see here. I really like the C200 because of its size and compactness, but they both have the privacy shades. They both have superior quality for video conferencing, and I really like them. There's advantages to both, but I think a lot of people might lean more towards the C200 because of its size. It is very compact. I can actually throw it into any pocket, but here they are, folks. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is a nice video feed coming from both of these, and shout out to AnkerWorks, man. I appreciate it. It's your man Jay, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.